Welcome to CIU Labs, an initiative of Cambridge Intercontinental University. Hey there, cybersecurity experts. Let's talk about Cobalt Strike, the double-edged sword of our field. Cobalt Strike is a commercial adversary simulation tool designed for penetration testers. It's all about emulating real-world cyber attacks to help us strengthen defenses. But here's the kicker. Threat actors have weaponized it for APTs, ransomware, and stealthy intrusions. So, what's inside Cobalt Strike? It's a post-exploitation framework with tools for covert operations, persistence, and lateral movement. Key features include beacon for command execution, lateral movement techniques, persistence mechanisms, and stealthy C2 profiles. It's a powerhouse for red teams. Why do penetration testers love it? First, it offers realistic adversary emulation, testing defenses against APT-like attacks. Second, its advanced post-exploitation capabilities let us pivot and test lateral movement detection. Third, it simulates stealthy C2 channels to bypass network security controls. Fourth, it supports collaboration among multiple operators. And finally, it's customizable and integrates with other pentesting tools. But here's the downside. Cybercriminals also love Cobalt Strike. APT groups and ransomware gangs use cracked versions. It's been part of high-profile attacks like SolarWinds and Conti ransomware. Its malleable C2 profiles evade detection, making it perfect for stealthy operations. Plus, it's a go-to for ransomware deployment and supply chain attacks. So how do we fight back? Detecting Cobalt Strike beacons is crucial. Monitor for unexpected C2 traffic and use YARA rules, IDS, IPS, and threat intel feeds. Behavioral anomaly detection and endpoint monitoring are must-haves. Proactive threat hunting helps identify security gaps. Lastly, implementing zero trust, security, and network segmentation can limit Cobalt Strike's impact. In conclusion, Cobalt Strike is a powerful tool for ethical hackers, but its misuse by cybercriminals is a major concern. Combining threat intelligence, behavior-based detection, and zero trust architecture is our best bet to stay ahead. Stay safe out there.